Hello everyone and welcome back to this new Figma masterclass. And in this class we are going to learn particularly about the Figma and the basics of Figma, and as well as we can go with the advanced topics like advanced interaction animations and advanced UI UX design mockups and website designs. And in that aspect we are going to learn more number of projects, a lot of practical projects you are going to learn in this course. Okay, alright, and this class we are going to log in the Figma with our Google account, and so we can get started and just click this get started button. And so you can log in with your Google account, or else if you have any particular email ID or anything else, you can log in. Okay, and I am going with the Google and click this continue with the Google. Okay, alright, and now it's automatically we created this Google account, and here we can click this button design file and click this button Venkatesh Steam. That means so this is the interface of this Figma, and here we can see here we can see look at the untitled. Just changing the name here, the project name which you want. Okay, and that's it. We created this account as of now, and in the coming classes, in the next class, we are going to discuss about the basic tools in the Figma. Okay, and so now I'm going to wrap up this video and see you in the next video. Bye.